Good morning, students. Today I'll teach you how to make mapper of chapter number 3, vegetation and wildlife, natural resources, vegetation and wildlife. This is a world map. Degrees are given here. Degrees are given here on the both side of this paper, and here in this way. Here also degrees are given here. You can read it. Okay, so at first we will draw the largest line of latitude. What is the largest line of latitude? That is equator. That is equator. For that we will it is located at 0 degree. East west lines are called lines of latitude. So firstly we will draw a line from 0. We will match this, join this 0 to 0 degree. So draw a line. I joined a line 0 to 0 degree. Okay, this is equator. You can write equator here. I think I will I shall use sketch pen. It is necessary to use pencil, but as I am showing it to you, so it is not clearly visible if I use pencil. That's why I'll use a sketch pen. Okay, a sketch pen is lying over here. I draw a line, that is equator. Equator. You know, on and near the equator, the places are extremely hot. Places are extremely hot. It crosses over Africa, it crosses over South America, and it crosses over these islands of Southeast Asia. Understood? So these places are very hot, and on and near the equator, equatorial forests are found, and the rainfall is extremely high, means near about 200 centimeter rainfall. Okay, so tropical rainforests are found here. So in your book you can also see these places are showing with green color. It means here which forests are found? Tropical rainforest. Another name is evergreen forest. So in which place? Ivory Coast of Ghana, Nigeria, Cameroon and Gabon in Africa. This is your Africa. This is your Africa. Here, this place. This place is, this is your Africa. And here, which forests are found? Tropical rainforest. In inbox, I write the green color is shown for tropical rainforest. Green color is shown for tropical rainforest. And where? Here, Amazon basin of South America. Amazon basin of South America. This is Amazon basin of South America. Here also tropical rainforest is found. Then this place, the joining place of North and South America. Here also tropical rainforest is found. And lastly, here, Western Ghat of India. Western Ghat. This one is Western Ghat. Western Ghat of India. And lastly, the southeastern part of Asia. Okay. So, here I have written it here, tropical evergreen forest or tropical rainforest. In your book also, page number 22, it is given. Green color is used for showing tropical rainforest. So, this is your work. You have to find out Ivory Coast, Ghana, Nigeria, Cameroon and Gabon in Africa. And in India, Western Ghat, Andaman Nicobar Island, Kerala and northeastern parts of the country. This is your homework. I'll give you in a snap homework also. These places you have to recognize. Always use an atlas for knowing the places. Okay. Now, second one, tropical deciduous forest. I'll use another color for showing tropical deciduous forest. Firstly, I'll write tropical deciduous forest. Tropical deciduous forest. So in which place it is found? It is found in here. It is in, I'll show you after showing in my map. I'll show you. Just a little wait. See, in India, it is tropical deciduous forest. In Africa, in these places, tropical deciduous forest. In South America, here it is found deciduous forest. In Australia, here it is found deciduous forest. And above it, this is evergreen forest in Africa. All these things are given in your book. You can see it. And now it's turn to Mediterranean forest. I'll use black color for showing Mediterranean forest. These two places of Australia. I'll make key. Black color is showing for Mediterranean forest. Black color is showing for Mediterranean forest. This is Mediterranean Sea. This blue portion is Mediterranean Sea. This blue portion is Mediterranean Sea, which separate. This one is Europe and this one is Africa. This Mediterranean Sea separate Europe from Africa. So around the Mediterranean Sea, which Mediterranean forests are found. Around the Mediterranean Sea, Mediterranean forests are found, showing black in color. In Australia, it is found here. And in Africa also, it is found here. And in South America, it is found here. In South America, it is found here. So, this is Mediterranean forest. And in book also, I want to say that tropical deciduous forest is found in India, okay, Myanmar, South China, East Brazil and central parts of America. This is central part of America, which is showing orange in color. Okay, so read it. Read the, I have highlighted the lines where it is written that where these forests are found. You also highlight and match it with your map. Then it will be clear for you that where it is found. Then Mediterranean Sea. The region around the Mediterranean Sea. Just now I told you that this blue portion is Mediterranean Sea. The region around Mediterranean Sea, Mediterranean forests are found, and shores of Europe. Shore, bank means नदी का किनारा and shore means समुद्र का किनारा. Shores of Europe. यूरोप के समुद्री किनारे आप देख सकते हो, और ये यूरोप है, इसका समुद्री किनारा. नेक्स्ट है एशिया, नॉर्थ अफ्रीका, साउथ वेस्टर्न पार्ट ऑफ साउथ अफ्रीका. एंड which type of climate is found in Mediterranean Sea? Dry summer and moderate rainfall during winter. Okay, and lastly it's time to temperate softwood forest. I'll use yellow color for showing temperate softwood forest. Softwood forest, I have written it in yellow color, temperate softwood forest. Coniferous forest, it is found in higher altitude. You can see that here it is 60 degree. Above 60 degree it is higher altitude. 0 degree, 1, 2, 3, 4, 50, then 60, then 60 and 66 and half. So it is in higher altitude. Coniferous forests are found. It is in North America. I'll show it just now. I'll show it. Here in North America near higher altitude, and then in Europe and Asia. You can join 60 to 60 degree again to show that it crosses 60 degree, means near the 66 and half. Which line of latitude cross? Arctic Circle. Yes, it is Arctic Circle. You can join a line from 60 to 60 degree. From 60 to 60 degree to show this is 66, not 60. We have to, 66 and half degree north. That line is wrongly drawn. 66 and half Arctic Circle, and 23 and half Tropic of Cancer. This one is Tropic of Cancer. This is 23 and half degree north. This is Tropic of Cancer. This is equator, and this is Arctic Circle. So if you fold it, your map from 0 degree, this is northern hemisphere. This is नॉर्दर्न हेमिस्फीयर. तो मैंने नॉर्दर्न हेमिस्फीयर के सारे लैटिट्यूड्स को मैंने दिखा दिए. ये इक्वेटर है, इसके ऊपर ये ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर है 23 एंड हाफ डिग्री नॉर्थ, ये 66 एंड हाफ डिग्री नॉर्थ, ये है आर्कटिक सर्कल, जहाँ पर कि हायर ऑल्टीट्यूड्स में येलो कलर से दिखाया गया है. दैट इज योर टेम्परेट सॉफ्टवुड फॉरेस्ट. अनदर नेम इज कोनिफेरस फॉरेस्ट. अनदर नेम इज mountain forest.